Get no warning when the bad turns are gonna come. So I'm building when the bad
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Cece, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you would stay, subscribe, and become a part of the Fashionceesta family. Today, I did a very bold blue eye look, and y'all, this is so out of my comfort zone. When I tell you guys over the years, I've shied away from color, but I don't know what possessed me. I feel like I just opened the JACLYN Hill palette and I was like, let's go for it. So I hope that you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you guys would like more looks like this, do not forget to thumbs up, so that way it lets me know you guys like this type of content, and I'll be sure to get those videos out for you. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you all in my next clip.
Starting off with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer, I'm applying this all over my face. This primer is so bomb. It is my new go-to. It literally makes your makeup last all day. The first product you guys see me applying that I did not show is my ABH Color Corrector in the shade Coral. And then next, I am going under my eyes where my hyperpigmentation is a little bit darker with the NYX Color Corrector in the shade Orange. And for foundation, today I'll be using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop mixed with some of my LA Girl Pro Color Corrector in the shade Blue. I do have a whole video coming explaining how this product has changed my life, so be on the lookout for that. And then, as always, I am using my e.l.f. flat top brush to blend everything out. And for concealer today, I'm actually going back to another oldie but goodie of mine, and that is my Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 410. But I did incorporate something new into my look, which was actually adding a LA Girl Pro concealer that's very close to my skin tone to help calm down that concealer shade, and that was in the shade Chestnut. And as you guys can see, by applying Chestnut, it actually came in handy and it helped blend that concealer out beautifully. So now it's just not like a harsh space where, you know, I don't like that look where you see like your foundation and then it's like concealer, I see your highlight. Like, no, everything needs to transition seamlessly, and that's exactly what that Chestnut allowed me to be able to do. So like I said, I did pull out quite a few different new products, but I also use a lot of my oldie but goodies in this tutorial as well. And again, if there's anything else that I could leave you guys with as far as a message, definitely make sure that you are blending. Blending is key to a flawless application. And I say that to say this because I was almost annoyed at this matchstick product. I love how brown it is. I love the color payoff that it gives me, but you guys have to make sure that you work fast with this product because, baby, it sets quickly, and literally you will have to mist your face again, like you guys are going to see me do here in just a few seconds, to get that product to move again. And yeah, like, you have to work fast with those matchsticks because, baby, they are not to be played with. They dry down immediately, okay? Immediately, not immediately, immediately, like ASAP. So again, I am misting my face, blending out that concealer so that I can get rid of all of those harsh lines. And again, like I said, blending is key. Now, the product that I used to set my face was this Fenty Beauty powder in the shade Nutmeg. And I'm not going to lie to y'all, the product smells good, but I really don't care for it. Yeah, I really don't have anything else to say other than I don't care for it. It was hard to work with. You guys see me actually trying to knock off the excess powder. So I did end up going over it with another powder later on in the tutorial, but you know, that's neither here nor there. I also used the Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Mocha Mami, and Mocha Mami kind of scared me just a little bit. Like, even with as much excess as I knocked off of the brush, like, look at how much color payoff I'm still getting. I think that I want to go back in with Cocoa Naughty and just stick with that because it's more of a, how can I say this? It's less scary. But yeah, I am going over my face again with AIRSPUN because that Fenty Beauty powder did not do anything for me. It did set everything in place, but I like a more highlighted look. and I'm just dusting off the excess with my big fluffy brush. And then we are going to get into the eye look. As always, you guys know I use concealer for my primer, so I am using my LA Pro concealer in the shade Fawn, and then setting it with my AIRSPUN powder. And the first shade that we're going to take from the JACLYN Hill palette is the shade Roxanne. I am using a Morphe brush, and I want to say this is the M551 brush, to basically pat that color into my crease. One thing that really helps with color payoff, especially when you're doing bold looks, you want to make sure that color shows up. You guys, make sure you are patting the color first and then blending. And then a second shade that I went in with is Jacz. And again, as you guys can see, I'm placing that just a little lower than my crease color, and then I am going back and blending the two of them together. I also like to use a clean brush to help just blend out everything for that transition and for the star of the show, the shade Twerk. And that's actually what I was doing once I saw how bomb this look came out. Like, I was so nervous to use this blue, guys. You have no idea, because blue can go really, really wrong. But this look came out so bomb. Like, I was so excited. Oh my God. Like, this look, it looks so good. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, back to the products. So I'm using Roxanne on my lower lash line. And then also I used a blue retractable pencil. I can't think of the shade name, but I will have it listed down below in the description box. And I did use that to kind of like match the top of the eye and kind of smoke everything out. And then, as always, you guys already know what I'm using for mascara. This is my favorite. And here's the thing, I'm gonna give y'all a trick. Get the smaller ones, because the big ones, especially if you have little lashes, it can get messy really quick. But these mini sizes, oh my God, like, they do the trick. Like, my lashes always look so good. Honestly, I haven't been confident to just not wear a lash strip until I started wearing this mascara, and it really makes everything look so good, guys. Like, please go pick this up if you haven't. My lashes are just some wispy lashes from the hair store, so pick up any wispy lashes, honestly. And after I spray my face, I'm going in with the OG, which is Matte Gold Deposit, and I'm just applying it to the apples of my cheek and blowing it out, so that way I have that nice glowy skin. And for the lip, I am using a Nika K lip liner in the shade Cocoa, and for the lip gloss, I'm using French Kiss, I believe that's the name, by Bite. I do not like this lip gloss. You literally have to go in the same direction or else it will mess up, you guys.
And that is it for the look, guys. When I tell y'all, like, it's what, 12:37. Technically, if I wanted to, I could still step out, but you know, it's cold as hell outside and I ain't trying to get sick. I love the look. I think that it looks so good. It looks so good. I have the range, and I want to show that more on my channel this year. So let's go and get into these slow-mos, and I will see you all in my next video. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching, and toodaloo.